Welcome to the PC Error Detective YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to increase font size on Google Chrome tabs. This can make it easier to read text in your browser, especially if you're having trouble with small font sizes. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips. Step 1. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Step 2. Click on the menu icon, which looks like 3 dots, in the top right corner of the Google Chrome web browser. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Step 4. On the left side of the Settings page, click on Appearance. Step 5. Under the Font Size section on the right side, click on the drop-down menu. Step 6. Now, select your preferred font size from the options Small, Medium, which is the default, Large, or Very Large. The changes will apply immediately to the settings window in Google Chrome, making the text easier to read. And that's it. Thanks for watching.